Hey Stoic warriors, welcome back to the arena. Today, we're not facing gladiators or wild beasts, but something arguably tougher, difficult people. We all have them. The office grump who seems allergic to sunshine, the passive-aggressive friend who'd rather write haiku about your flaws than have a direct conversation, or the family member whose drama could fuel a Shakespearean tragedy. But before you throw your toga in a fit of frustration, let's channel the wisdom of Stoicism and transform these emotional vampires into catalysts for inner growth. Remember, it's not them, it's you, or at least it's how you choose to react. So, grab your Stoic shield, polish your inner compass and prepare for battle, not with fists, but with the unwavering spirit of virtue. Hack number 1. Remember, it's not about you, really, we mean it. Let's start with a Stoic truth bomb that explodes negativity on contact. Their bad mood is not a reflection of your worth. As Epictetus, the bearded sage, wisely said, it is not events that disturb us, but our interpretation of them. Remember, their grumpy demeanors are likely fueled by their own internal dramas, not by any personal vendetta against you. So take a deep breath, detach from their emotional storm and remind yourself that their behavior says nothing about who you are. You are a radiant sunflower, not a weather vane for their negativity. Hack number 2. Choose your weapon wisely. Words can be your finest sword. Reacting in anger or frustration gives the difficult person power over your emotions. Instead, choose your weapon of choice. Reason, compassion, and a healthy dose of humor, sharper than any gladiatorial blade. If a colleague snaps at you, calmly address the issue at hand, offering solutions instead of adding fuel to the fire. If a family member starts a drama, try deflecting with a light joke or simply changing the subject. Remember, as Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and philosopher king, reminds us, waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Show them the power of a calm warrior, unwavering in virtue even in the face of negativity. Hack number 3. Practice the art of detachment like a Stoic ninja. Imagine difficult people as noisy pigeons chirping outside your window. You can hear them, but you don't have to let them control your mood. The Stoics called this amor fati, the love of fate, or accepting what lies beyond your control. You can't control their behavior, but you can control your reaction. So, detach from their negativity, focus on what you can control, your own thoughts and actions, and let your inner peace be your sanctuary. Be the Stoic ninja gliding through the emotional storm with grace and equanimity. Hack number 4. Seek perspective before you charge into battle. Wisdom is your chariot. Sometimes stepping back offers a clearer view of the enemy. Talk to a trusted friend, mentor, or therapist about your struggles. Gaining an outside perspective can help you understand the situation and develop effective strategies for dealing with the difficult person. Remember, even the great Seneca, advisor to Nero, sought counsel from the Stoic Attalus. Sometimes a wise friend is all it takes to find your inner Stoic warrior. Hack number 5. Turn negatives into positives, like alchemy for the soul. Like alchemists transforming lead into gold, the Stoics believed in turning adversity into opportunity. View difficult people as teachers, albeit unconventional ones. Their negativity can test your patience, hone your communication skills, and remind you of the qualities you value in yourself and others. As Epictetus said, the chief task in life is simply this: identifying and separating matters so that I can say clearly to myself which are externals not under my control and which have to do with the choices that are my own. In essence, use the challenge of dealing with difficult people to strengthen your own inner citadel of virtue. Hack number 6. Remember, this too shall pass. Even dragons eventually slumber. Even the most epic battles eventually end. Difficult people might seem permanent fixtures in your life, but remember, everything is in flux. Situations change, relationships evolve, and even the grumpiest colleague might eventually retire. We can hope. So, focus on the present moment, cultivate patience, and trust that this challenging chapter will eventually come to a close. You are not trapped in an emotional quicksand. You are a Stoic explorer, navigating turbulent waters with a steady compass and unwavering hope. Here are some bonus Stoic wisdom for your inner toolbox. 1. Practice mindfulness. Observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. When negativity arises, acknowledge it and let it go, like a leaf carried away by the gentle breeze of Stoic awareness. 2. Visualize your ideal self. Imagine the person you aspire to be in the face of adversity, calm, compassionate, and unwavering in your virtue. Let this vision guide your actions and responses, like a lighthouse cutting through the fog of negativity. 3. Limit your exposure. Sometimes retreat is a victory. If possible, minimize your interactions with the difficult person, especially during emotionally charged moments. Give yourself space to cool down and regain your composure like a warrior strategizing from a safe distance. 4. Seek professional help if needed. There's no shame in asking for backup. Sometimes dealing with difficult people can be emotionally draining. Don't hesitate to seek professional support from a therapist or counselor, especially if their behavior is significantly impacting your well-being. Remember, even mighty heroes ask for aid when facing insurmountable foes. And now the grand finale. Be the master of your inner Colosseum. Dealing with difficult people is not about vanquishing them in a gladiatorial duel, but about mastering your own inner Colosseum. You are not a helpless victim to their negativity. You are the Stoic architect building your own arena of inner peace, brick by Stoic brick. With every challenge, every interaction, every victory over your own emotional reactivity, you build your character, your resilience, and your mastery over yourself. So go forth, brave Stoics, and face the trials of difficult people with the grace of Marcus Aurelius, the wisdom of Epictetus, and the unwavering spirit of a Roman legion. Remember, they are not the final boss, merely a training ground for your inner virtue. Embrace the challenge, learn from the experience, and let your inner light shine so brightly that even the grumpiest shadows can't extinguish it. And finally, a parting quote from the great Seneca, your guiding star on this journey. True happiness belongs to the virtuous. Embrace virtue, cultivate your inner Stoic warrior, and conquer not just the difficult people but your own fears and negativity. Let this be your legacy, not a tale of battles won against external foes, but a saga of inner mastery written in the ink of wisdom and etched in the stone of virtue. Now go out there and write your own epic tale, one where challenges become catalysts, obstacles become stepping stones, and difficult people become teachers. May your journey be filled with courage, wisdom, and the unwavering flame of the Stoic spirit. Until next time, stay Stoic, stay strong, and stay awesome. P.S. Don't forget to subscribe for more Stoic wisdom to conquer life's challenges. Share your own experiences and insights in the comments below, and let's build a community of Stoic warriors together. Remember, we're all on this journey, and sharing our struggles and victories can light the way for others. Remember, dear Stoic, you are not alone. You have a community of warriors by your side, and within you lies the wisdom of ages. With each breath, each challenge, each victory, you forge your own path to inner mastery. Be the light, be the strength, be the unyielding spirit of Stoicism.